Microsoft Word Basics and Microsoft Word Basics. So I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word Basic, and I'm going to start by saving to show you how to save. So if you want to save your document, you go to File, then Save As, because you are saving it at this first time. Then you browse where you want to save it. So you can search, if you have a folder, you can search where you want to save it, or you can create a folder. Then you choose where you want to save it. Then you give it a name, you give the file name here, and then you save. If you want to save it as a PDF, you click file, you click here the save type, then you'll select PDF. That's how you save as a PDF. But mine, I want to save it as a Word document because I'll be on Word document. Then after you've saved it, after you've named it, you click save. So that's how you save in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office Word. So I'm going to show you how to use these things here, the clipboard, the font, and the paragraph. So if you want to, after you've typed, you have to select. So I can select by highlighting. Then if I want to remove there, I click cut. Then I take the cursor, this point, to where I want it to place it. So I'll click. So when you reach where you want to place it, you just click it, then you paste. So that's how you cut and paste. So assuming I want to type this one here, instead of typing and I had already typed, I'll select it, then I copy, then I click where I want to place it and click paste. So that's how you copy. That's the difference between copy and cut. Cut, it will remove it from that place, but for copy, it will remain there, and then another one will be pasted somewhere else. Then this one is blue color. I'll want to change this one to blue color just to look the same as this one. So if I wanted this one to look exactly as this one, I'll highlight that one. Then I'll click format paint and I'll go and select whatever I want it to look the same. Then it will make it look exactly as the other one. Now I'll move to this part, the font part. So I'll select whatever, all the text that I want to use. So this one is the font, how you want it to look like. So you'll scroll it down. So there are a lot of fonts. So you'll just scroll until you find the one which you want. Then you click. And this one is for the size that of my text that I want it to be. And it is just the same as this A. The A increase the size, and this is the capital A, but small size will reduce its size. So this one, the sentence case is at the beginning of it will start with the capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. Then the lowercase means the small letter, all letters will be small. Then uppercase means capital letter, all whatever I've selected will be in capital form. And capitalize each word, it will start with, at the beginning of each word will start with a capital letter. And for toggle, it will start with small letter. So these one are the so I'll return mine back to sentence case. Then this one is just like it's like a rubber. It will return it to the original font that you type with and the original size. So when I click it, so it has returned the original type of font that I had used is this one, Calibri body, and the size was size 11. So I'll increase mine because I want it to be visible. Then this one is making it bold, this one is italic, this one is to underline, and you can choose which type of underline that you want. Maybe it is that one. So if I want to remove it again, if I want to remove underline, I'll select it, then I'll go back to underline and remove it. If I want to remove the underline and bold, I'll highlight it and go and remove the underline and bold. If I want to remove the italic and bold, I'll go and click the italic and bold and remove it after I've selected it. If I want to remove both italic, bold, and underline, I'll just click them back. So if I want to return this one to the original way by removing bold and removing italic and removing underline. So that's how you use this one. So for the x1 and x2, I'll type it. So I'll type the log, then I'll click this x2 to have a, so this one is for superscript and subscript. So I'll go and type 2 x minus 2, then I'll close the bracket, then I'll remove it to type normal. So I'll type normal, then I'll click this one and place it x4 minus 6y, then I'll close my bracket. So that's how you use this both 2x. This is the x, this one for subscript to create this one, this x minus 2, and this one superscript to create this one x4 minus 6y. So I'll move to this one. So after I've selected this one, so this one my text will just look the way this one look like. So if I want this one, I'll just click and my text will look exactly like that one. So this one is where you want to highlight your text with a certain color. So if you want to remove it, you'll just select it and I'll go there and I'll say no color. And for this one, I'll just highlight it and go back and choose the black color. Then this one, my font will change the color. For this one, the font just remain black, but now this one is where I want to change the font color. So I'll just change this and place it the one that I want. So I'll put it green. So you can see my text is green. So if I want to return it back to black, I'll just highlight it and go back and click the automatic. So I'll shift to the next, I'll go to insert. So I'll just continue with this one tomorrow. So if I want to insert my page, I'll just click a blank page. I'll go here to insert, then I click the blank page. Now for this blank page, I want to show you how to insert table in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office Word. So you'll just click here. So you'll make sure this cursor is where you want to put your table. So you'll just go, how many number of columns and rows do you want? Then if you want those ones, you'll just click. Then you can type inside. So I'll type mine. Maybe I'll say key. Then I'll type here, maybe insert. So that's how you type inside box. So I can type layout. So that's how you type inside your table. If you want to delete your table, you just click this thing, and then you click. You can click delete, or then the delete table, or you can click the backspace on your keyboard, and that's how you delete a table. So this one has exact number of columns and rows. So you can see it is up to 8. But if you want more than 8 rows, so you'll click here insert, then you'll choose the number of columns that you want. So I can say I want 7 and 20 rows. Then you say okay. So it will give you the number that you want. So if you want to delete, you just click this one and click delete. So you can also draw your table. You can just click draw, then you'll drag and draw your table. So this one allows you to create a table depending on whatever you have or how you want your table to look like. So it does not limit you on the number of columns and rows that it is available. So I'm going to delete my table. So I'll delete a table. Also, there are other tables here which they have been created. So you'll just select the one that you've liked, maybe like this one. Then you can edit. You can just delete that one. So you can just delete and put your values that you have. So you can see it can be so it can be deleted. So you can delete and you can type yours. You can also change the type of font. So if I go here, I can change the type of font that I want. I can change the color. I can say I want to use green. So thank you and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.